South Korea sees continued spike in new COVID-19 cases, with small and large cluster infections contributing to rising figures. The government urged the public to strictly abide by the current quarantine measures, as level 3 social distancing could be implemented if the situation does not improve. Mok-yeon has the latest.
Coronavirus cluster infections have been sprouting up nationwide. The number of new COVID-19 cases reported Wednesday soared back up to 320 after dropping to the 200s for 2 days. The country has now reported triple digits for 13 consecutive days. From Wednesday's numbers, 307 were local transmissions and 13 were imported. With 2 more deaths, the death toll is now at 312. One major source of infections is the Sarang Jeil Church in Seoul and an anti-government rally led by the church's chief pastor on August 15. As of 6 p.m. Wednesday, the total number of COVID-19 infections related to the church is 933, with 219 linked to the rally. Meanwhile, at least 61 cases were reported in Incheon on Wednesday, the largest figure the city has recorded in a single day. At least 29 are linked to a cluster infection from the Lord's Church in the Bupyeong-gu district. Also, a cluster infection at a beauty parlor in Seoul's Eunpyeong-gu district last Saturday has led to at least 9 staff and their family members being infected. And at a Guro-gu district apartment complex, 5 residents have tested positive since Sunday. About 400 residents who live in the same building have been asked to get tested. Meanwhile, a security guard working at Seoul government complex has also tested positive, prompting authorities to shut down the 3rd floor where the night duty room is located. The government has been urging the public to strictly abide by quarantine rules, saying if the trend continues, level 3 social distancing measures could be implemented.
If the situation doesn't improve, we will have to consider raising social distancing level to 3. If the level is raised, all economic and societal activities technically come to a halt, so it is not an easy decision. For now, we should make sure that the current social distancing measures are being implemented thoroughly.
Under level 3, South Korea would basically go into a collective shutdown with gatherings of more than 10 people being prohibited. Mok-yeon, Arirang News.